Today I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about this awesome tablet pillow stand. I don't know about you, but when I'm watching TV or I'm working, I hate to just do it like this, to work on myself. I absolutely love this thing, so I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about it. It's going to come exactly like this. This is going to be the piece that holds your tablet or your device. People want to know, can you also do a phone in here? The answer is yes. What you have to do is you have to go long ways like this. So you go long ways, and if you wanted it to switch it, you could just put it this way or do that way. So you can fit a phone on here as well. This is going to go up to, so this can go up to 13 inches over. I'm going to show you with a tablet in. So all you got to do, super simple. This comes like this. You literally just line this up just like over here. You can see right over there. And then we're literally just going to slide this on. Super easy. You kind of look at it this way. You're going to take this piece and you're just going to go in just like that. And then you're good to go once that locked in. And then if you wanted to take it out, you're just going to push this button and slide it back out. But once it's in there and clicks, you are good to go. Now, this could rotate all sorts of different ways if you wanted to as well. So now it is facing me just like this. Really versatile, the arm right over here. So let's get this iPad right over here. So simple, just kind of open it up just like that. We got the tablet in here just like that. So you could easily put it this way. You could move it this way if you wanted to. Lots of versatility here. You could have it flat. You could do so much different stuff like this. You can see that's kind of how it looks like there, which is great. And what I also like about it too is it has you could move this back if you wanted to. You could have the iPad facing the other way if you really wanted to. I don't know why you would, but you could do that. Another thing I like about this is you got this tray right over here. This is going to be great for remotes and stuff like that. We got a cup holder here that will fit most like your typical tumbler and stuff like that. And we got another miscellaneous kind of tray here, so you don't have to worry about ever losing the remote control again, which is nice. I like the fact that this easily just could fold down too. Another thing to know about this does come out. So if you didn't want this tray and just kind of wanted this one, you could do that as well. You could just see too, you could have all this stuff over here. But this tray right here, you could easily take this out, wash it if anything spilled, or you needed to just take it out for whatever reason. I don't know, I kind of like how it looks like this. But when my girlfriend uses it, she likes to use the cup holder and everything else. And you could just pop this back in just like that, super easy. And then of course the bottom. The bottom right here is kind of like a bean bag-ish type of material. Super, super comfortable to put on your legs, or if you just want to rest this on the couch. It's really easy to work on this as well. And of course this folds down just like this for easy storage. You can just pop this up whenever you want. Just absolutely love this right over here. It comes in all sorts of different colors. Remember, it supports up to 13 inches over here. You can also get your phone on here, but you'd have to put it in like this first, and then you can flip it around however you want. So if you're looking for a great kind of little tablet holder stand desk for working, or just sitting on the couch relaxing, or even your bed, you could just be laying down and have this on you just like that and watch a show or something. Could not recommend this enough. Absolutely love this thing. So if you're looking for a great tablet holder that has a removable tray over here, nice desk, they do come in different colors and super easy to use, install. Definitely check this out. Can't say enough good things about this. And a huge thanks to the brand for sending this over so I could do this review.